It's Tuesday and it's a very nice day. Just going to look at these tile samples in the studio and then we're going to go out for a walk. Had a lovely, I had a cup of tea and Timmy had a flat white in Ursa Minor in Ballycastle. It's one of my favourite bakeries and coffee shops. I think it would be easy to say that it's the best coffee, like the best, does the best baked goods in the whole of, well, probably County Antrim. Probably, yeah, 100% the best in the North Coast, like, easily, and I think they supply other places, but I've been having a problem with my flour for my sourdough, and Dara, the baker there, I got chatting to him, and we were talking about sourdough, and he was very generous with his time and with his flour. So I've got a couple of kilos of flour in the back because I've been having a problem getting my flour that I normally use to me, and yeah, he just explained quite a lot of stuff to me in a very short amount of time, so I've got quite a lot of stuff to absorb now from that conversation. But they're actually opening a bakery school which I would love to go to for, you know, like a day course or something to learn more about sourdough. Like, he has so much knowledge about the process and the bread and everything. He says they're hoping to do like clinics where you can like bring your bread, bring your starter, and they'll like help you make it better. So that sounded really nice, and I think that'll be opening around St. Patrick's Day. So, and they're trying to bring in schools to show them how food is grown and how bread is made and all that type of a thing. So it sounds really good what they're doing, and yeah, I'd love to be kind of helping with something like that. It sounds so good. So we're going to go on a walk now. We're off to, where are we off to? Bentoy?
Yeah, Bentoy.
We're going off to Bentoy, and it's an amazing day, so I hope you enjoy the scenery.
Good King Wenceslas looked out on the feast of Stephen, when the snow lay round about, deep and crisp and even. Brightly shone the moon that night, though the frost was cruel, when a poor man came inside, gathering winter fuel. Hither, page, and stand by me, if thou know'st it telling, yonder peasant who is he, where and what his dwelling? Sire, he lives a good league hence, underneath the mountain, right against the forest fence, by St. Agnes fountain. Hither, thou and I will see him tonight, when we bear high. I can go no longer. Mark my footsteps, my good page. Tread by in them boldly. I shall find the winter's rage. Freeze our bloodless cold. Steps he trod where the snow lay into. Heat was in the very sod which the saint had printed. Therefore, Christian men, be sure, wealth for rent possessing, ye now will bless the poor. Shall yourselves find blessing, find blessing, find blessing, find blessing. Find blessing, find blessing, find blessing.
Where?
Don't know, quite cool.
Just for like a business meeting?
Just like kind of like a Christmas dinner / yeah.
Is he not like going for it?
Yeah, I think he is.
Just had a really nice lunch at Shanty in Portrush. We don't usually go out for so many coffees and lunches, but this is our holiday day, so yeah.
So we're just gonna go overboard and.
So we've just gone a bit overboard. Yeah.
Brunch then lunch.
Brunch then lunch. It was very nice. I have to say I got the risotto. It was lovely, and yeah, I think I'm gonna call this the end of this vlog. I think I've recorded quite a lot, so hope you enjoyed it. Bye.